going on YouTube? It's time to upgrade my office deadbolt, and what better way to do it with the brand new Access Touch Pro from Lockly. This is the updated model with a much better Wi-Fi hub, so you're going to get better connectivity. You can also access everything from your smartphone. It's perfect for the rental, it's perfect for the home, it's perfect for the office. It's even perfect for the shed thanks to that IPX4 rating, so it'll work when it's up to about negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit, all the way to those heat waves at 151. So placing this outdoor is not going to be an issue, and you can tell it's super small. That's what I really like about the Access Touch Pro. Let's get into it, check it out together, see what it's all about. Just taking a look at the key specs before we go ahead and check what's inside the box and the installation and the smart app and all that great stuff. Your finger is your key, and you can store up to 99 fingerprints, so again, making this perfect for that office situation. You also do get mobile app control, real-time monitoring status as well. Never worry about if you lock the door or not. Auto locking is going to make sure that the door locks once you leave. Voice control with your Google Assistant or Siri Assistant as well. Replacing the key is super simple as well. But that's about it, guys. Let's check out what's inside of the box. First thing I have to mention is that this is not a difficult process at all, thanks to Lockly's very easy to read directions with pictures and numbers and letters of what screws you have to use. Everything is very simple, so for those of you that might be a little bit worried about installing this yourself, do not worry about it. If you know how to use a screwdriver, you know how to install Lockly's Smart Lock. So again, they do a really awesome job when it comes to their installation guide. And if you don't yet have a cutout for your deadbolt, you also do get a template that you're going to have to use in order to get that correct hole. This is all the hardware that comes in the box, and once again, if you take a look at that installation manual and you take a look at all of the packaging, everything is well laid out here so you can see all the letters that correspond to whatever screw you have to use. So I give Lockly a lot of credit once again. They just make this a very easy installation for anybody. And taking a look at the actual lock itself, definitely well made, and look at the small fingerprint. There's just a small overall footprint of this Lockly lock makes it perfect for any installation, whether that's on your home office, whether that's on a closet, whether that's in a retail environment or even a rental environment. This is going to be a lock that you can place anywhere. So speaking of placing anywhere, it's time to install it and then check out the app together. The time right now is 11:39, so let's go ahead and install this deadbolt, see how long it takes. Again, it should only take about 15 minutes. Once you've installed the back plate and the actual lock, just go ahead and insert the key and make sure it closes and opens smoothly. So you can see it's opening and closing very smoothly. That's basically the main hardware, and it's 11:49, so that only took 10 minutes. The next 5 minutes are going to be programming the lock and whatnot. So now let's just go ahead and insert the batteries that they provide, and thank you for providing batteries. And the batteries will last about 9 months according to Lockly. So let's go ahead and install the last couple batteries. Now you want to hold down the program button as you install the last battery here. It's already programmed itself for the right side of the door. If you have a left side, it's going to program it again. Everything is done automatically. Final and last step is install these sensors so that you can get notified if your door is open or not opened. So let's just go ahead and do this once again. All you have to do is put one part on the door itself and the other part on the door frame. Again, very simple thanks to this double-sided tape here. And that's all the installation. The time is 11:55. Let's head over to the app and finish it up. Then we're going to test out the smart controls and everything else like that. Next, what you need to do, download the Lockly application. But before you do that, go ahead and install the smart Wi-Fi hub somewhere close to your lock. And they do provide a little wall wart as well. So just plug this in, and this is gonna allow you to talk to your lock remotely. This is going to allow you to talk to it with your smart assistant and all of that good stuff. So definitely find somewhere to plug this in. Next, what you need to do is go ahead and open the Lockly application. This is where you'll see all of your other smart locks that you might have. Click on Add New and then find the Flex Touch. Click on Flex Touch. Now from within the box, guys, you're going to have to go ahead and get your activation code. Do not lose this card. Put it somewhere safe that you can keep in case you have to re-add it or in case something happens. You really need this activation card, so let's click on Get Started here. And now you're going to have to search for that Wi-Fi dongle that you just plugged in. So here it is, it just came up right here. Next, just follow along the prompts to set up your smart lock. So there we go, successfully connected, and that's basically all it took. So I'm just going to say, add to my existing property here, click on My Locks, click on Add Room, it's going to be called Office, confirm. That's the whole installation process, and you can just see how simple it is, guys. So you can quickly go ahead and unlock your lock if you want to. You can quickly lock it again. Everything can be configured remotely. Just go ahead and do that. Looking at access management, you have a couple ways you can give people access. Number one, you can add an e-badge, so you can give individuals complete access until you revoke their privileges. This is perfect for people who might work with you or live in the same household. And then you also have a guest access, which is perfect for maybe an Airbnb situation or rental situation, or maybe some type of situation where a handyman, a plumber, an electrician has to come in and do some work. You can go ahead and give them access for a specific amount of time. Let's just call this one plumbing. Go to the next step. You can do a reoccurring access, and that's going to give this person access on specific dates and specific times. Or you can just do a validity period. So again, maybe you just want him access for a couple hours to let him do his job and get out. So that's a perfect way to kind of give an expiring access code, if you will. Now, a trusted user, of course, is going to be able to get access to your door no matter what time of day, no matter what hour. Again, they are a trusted user. Now, fingerprint's the best part about this lock. So let's just go ahead and install the fingerprint. It's going to be very simple. So let me show you how to do it. Taking a look at the settings are very simple. Again, this is a very easy lock to install and maintain. Number one, change the name of your lock so that you can access it with your virtual voice assistant. This is going to allow you to use your voice to lock or unlock the door. And you also do have the auto lock function, so it's going to automatically lock the door when you close it behind you. Again, thanks to those sensors we installed on the door frame, you never have to go back and wonder if you've locked the door or not. It's just going to automatically do it for you. And then you also do have firmware updates, and Lockly definitely pushes out updates. That's why I can recommend these smart locks, because you're always going to get improvements from them. So I definitely like the fact that they're constantly improving upon their product. Looking at the start page, you can go ahead and see the battery life. You can also see if the door is locked or unlocked. So let's just go ahead and unlock it. So there we go. Very quick to go ahead and unlock and lock the door. If you're looking for a smart lock that has a lot of features, a small footprint, very easy to install, and very easy to maintain as well, the Lockly Access Touch Pro is a lock that I can highly recommend. If you have any questions about it, let me know down in the comments below. But I always appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.